Who said that drop tiles should be boring? Hi, my name is Vlad from Talissa Decor, and today I would like to introduce you a new product, 2x2 drop-in comfort look ceiling tile. With a modern design, very light but yet sturdy, can be installed in any 2x2 T-bar grid system. You don't need any special tools, it can be cut with the scissors. It's completely waterproof. This tile comes in a variety of finishes, black, white, metallic colors, and even a combination of all kind of antique finishes like antique gold, antique copper, antique brass, you name it. Once you install them, it will give you an extra dimension because this tile raises above the grid for 2.5 inches. This ceiling tile is Class A fire rated. It can be installed in residential and commercial places. Basements, offices, restaurants, pubs, bars, everywhere where you have a 2x2 T-bar grid system. You can find more information about that tile at our website, talissadecor.com.